Oh, mashallah, very, very concrete definition. I love myself. This is a concrete definition of love. We can say that we love ourselves. That's the basic need. For example, we are saying that we love others, we love money, we love this, we love him, we love her. These all loves, these all loves are related with our needs. And we also have one love, that is the love of ourself. We also need love. You yourself need a love. So you have to take care of yourself. You have to love yourself. You have to boost of your personality. But you sometimes think, because in our society we have a definition, that definition is we all have some needs. So that needs make us the love linked with needs. That's not a true love, which is linked with our needs and our needs become our love. Then we become confused between the boundaries of two things. One side is the love, one side is the need. When the needs and love combine with each other, then it is a mixture of love and needs. Sometimes need becomes love, sometimes love becomes need. Yes, the definition of love is the same as you define that when a person fall in love with another person, then the shot related to him. But when the time slowly passes away, the short comes, marriages have that before marriage they think, for example, the boy is saying, I will bring the stars from you for you from the sky. I also have one small star for you people. I will bring the star from the sky. Okay. So, but after marriage, the moon, the lighting of moon becomes dull. The light of stars become dim. Sun also looks dim light. So that's why the love becomes a little weak. Why? Because needs. The needs overcome the love. That's why after marriage, when they feel satisfied with the needs of each other, then they make another definition of the love. That is to fulfill the needs. And that is the reality actually. The people have some basic needs. Love is one of their need. Love with parents, love with kids, love with life partner, love with a person who is in a relation, love of money, love of land, love of home. The needs become our loves. For example, a person who loves money, he just need only money. What happens to the others, what happens to the world, what happens to everyone, he not take care of these things. He just love the money. He will use every way to earn the money.